Let us place this hollow PVC pipe here. We will use flashlight of mobile phone to create a shadow. Shadow appears on either side of the line as I move the flashlight. If I move the flashlight exactly above the pipe, I cannot see the shadow. I can put this pipe on a transparent sheet and get the same result. This time, I see a circle below when flashlight is exactly above the pipe. Something like this happens in real life as well. We see shadows all the time, but they appear sideways at noon except for 2 days in a year. These 2 days are called zero shadow day, a day when shadow disappears for some time at noon. Why it happens? We will see later. Let us do the setup first. We'll fix these cycle spokes to the wooden base and place acrylic sheet on it. We'll take some hollow shapes and place it on the top. Let us wash shadows as sun moves above us. On the zero shadow day, based on the location when the sun is exactly at the top, you will see a full circle as shadow of a pipe. You can do your setup with these everyday things as well. Outside, it is always advisable to wear chappals or shoes and put cap on your head. You can take help of other shadows as well while you are watching this. Now let us explore why it happens only twice a year. As you know, Earth is rotating around Sun and around itself as well. Its axis is tilted by 23.5 degrees. This is the reason for seasons and Sun shifting positions as it rises and sets every day. Sun rises at different time and location as well throughout the year. In this simulation, you can see how shadow changes at noon throughout the year. You can enter your location and try it out yourself. Hope that helps. Thank you.